I'm here, y'all. I'm at Princess, and I'm about to get some of this Jamaican food. It is a Jamaican spot, yeah. Hello, 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 everyone, and welcome back to Psychology Eats. So, what's eating you? This Oxtail dinner? Yes, here it is, y'all. You voted for it, and you got it, baby. Yes, honey, let me go heat it up, and then we're going to get into this mukbang. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So I have oxtails, plantains, white rice, and I have some beans in it. Some beans, and I have some cabbage. And then I have Crystal here. And I brought her cousin Peter. And so I'm going to put a little dab of each on my meal. And then to drink, I have some agua. Oh, come on now. And I'm going to pour it in my cup. Come on, ASMR. I just wanted y'all to see my new cup. And, oh, let me get comfortable. So you voted, and this is it. Tomorrow I might do, I may do a seafood boil. But I was hoping, the last time I checked, the oxtails won by a landslide. And so that's what we have, oxtails. Let me make sure this is hot enough. Y'all. Do I need to put more heat on this? Because I bought this a couple hours ago. That's hot. Oh, well, I'm eating. I'm hungry. Ew. The freak is falling off of that. Let's put some Crystal. I'm not a big fan of plantains. I feel like I would eat these if y'all made them in some like brown sugar or something. Make them sweet. That's dead doing all. It also has some potatoes in it. So I haven't done a mukbang in a minute. I haven't. I do have a couple of things to talk about. This was only half of the food. The platter was $24 or $22, and then basically $25. But it's worth it. It was worth it. Because, honey, making oxtails can be an all-day thing. Then make the cabbage and the rice. If I feel like making oxtails, I will, but... If I don't... Plus, I like to support small businesses. And we're so happy to have a restaurant like this near me. And the food is actually delicious. Hold on, y'all. Woo woo. And they are authentically Jamaican. I'll put that in the video. When I was in the store, I filmed a little bit. And it was the owner and some other people in there talking. Very much Jamaica. Mmm. Felt like I was back in Jamaica. So let's get into some tea. Let's get into some tea. Mmm. Honey. Honey. Mmm. Woo, 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 woo. Mmm. 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 I don't know if y'all sick of hearing that, but mmm. Comment down below. Do you have a Jamaican spot near you that you can go and get an oxtail dinner? I hope you do. Because, honey, it's worth it. Mmm. And the cost of oxtails is so ridiculous that I had to come up on the price a little bit, which I don't mind. Ooh. Something about this mug is making this so cold. All right, Copper. So, what is the word on the curb, honey? You know, I've been really watching a lot of content regarding Wendy. Now, mind you, most of the content creator is guessing. Because Wendy, and you know I love you, but girl, you out there a little bit. You out there a lot. But when I think about Wendy and Kevin and that whole shenanigans with them, I just think about Lil Kev being raised by what appears to be a father with some sort of personality disorder. I don't like to call people narcissists, but people who've been in his circle, that's what they say. And Lil Kev being raised by a narcissist and Wendy, who has substance abuse, an alcoholic / cocaine user / marijuana user. And I don't care if you're raising your child in the hood or in a mansion with two parents like that, that child don't have a chance. And because Kevin was so controlling towards Wendy, I'm sure he did the same thing with Little Kev. So Little Kev was stuck with these two dipsticks. And remember, Lil Kev had a substance abuse issue himself and had to go out to Honduras so Dr. Sabier could save him. I know I said his name wrong, but you know who I'm talking about. Ain't no telling how that kid is really living behind the scenes and now fighting for his mom. I don't know if Wendy is talking to him or not. Come on, Vaughn. Wendy is so out of it. And I don't know. I said this before and I'll say it again. Her substances will most likely get the best of her. She looks frail. She looks horrible. Wendy, you looked horrible in them latest pictures when you was wearing them little poom poom shorts. It's 30 degrees in New York, and you outside in a pair of poom poom shorts. You look like an addict, a rich one. You look like a rich addict. I ain't playing with you no more. You know you my homegirl and all of that, but I'm not playing with you. And you need to go to a real rehab, not one in Miami, and not one of them cushy little rehab. You don't need that. You need a real rehab because, girl, you on your way out of here, and that's on Mary Had a Little Lamb. Now, Kevin, I wouldn't care if you never got another nickel from Wendy. Do you deserve your severance pay and all that stuff because you did work for the company? Yes, and I believe you got all that. That's not our fault you ran through it. And Serena, please. I mean, whatever that girl name is. The lover. Girl, bye. Girl, bye. So the same treatment you got that Wendy got, you'll get it. You already getting it. That man mean as a hornet. Mm-hmm. Mm. Honey, the chef. It's crazy. Mm-hmm. Look at them. A hot topic. Judy and Brat. I don't told y'all the situation with Judy and Brat. I don't watch their show because I don't have cable. But however, I see little bits and pieces of it. And I saw that they filmed that Judy was having her eggs retrieved, the egg retrieval process. And they told us that Brat is impregnated with Judy's egg. Well, I guess they took out several of Judy's eggs. Usually they do that, and they fertilize and get like 5 embryos. So they had about 5, 6, 7 embryos. They implanted one in the Brat, and it didn't. It failed into a miscarriage, and then they implanted a couple more. Because usually they implant like 3 or 4 and see which ones will stick. Which is why people who do IVF end up having multiple pregnancies. I mean, multiple babies at one time. And so, girl, I got that oxtail meat in my tooth. So, I'm not too sure if that's Judy's egg, but that ain't my business. And so, anyways, now the question is, whose sperm did they use? And according to Gary with the T. Now, Gary, I got this mess off from you. Gary with the T has said that the streets was talking, and I don't know if the streets was clowning or making fun of. Probably was, but then again, this could be true. That Nick Cannon said, y'all can take some of my sperm. I'm out here throwing my sperm to the wind anyway. Anybody can get it. Y'all want the sperm? And according to the streets, they said, sure, why not? You cute. You cute, Nick. We'll make Judy and Nick make a cute baby. Carried by Brat. Mm-hmm. So the streets are saying that that's Nick baby, but you ain't heard that from me because I don't know. I don't know. But Hollywood is Holly weird for a reason. When I tell you weird, whoo! I'm keeping this cup in my room because if I keep it in the kitchen and somebody mess my cup up, I'm out of it. But anyway, thank you guys for voting. Thank you for coming over to Psychology Eats. I did have another survey. I was considering changing my name, but y'all told me I was tripping. And so I'm not going to do that. But I do have a very sad announcement. I'm getting rid of this sign. Y'all know this sign has been with me since back in the day when I was doing doll heads and stuff and picking on people and making doll heads and saying they were different people. I've grown from that. But and however, she's going. I'm putting a whole new background here and that's it. The sign Psychology Eats is going. And a new intro is coming. I'm super excited about it. And I'm going to fold this up and put that away. But she's going. This is the last interview. You'll see that little crooked sign, that little crooked plate. Down here is, wait a minute now, y'all. See that? That says YouTube. So that's it. That's all. Thank you for stopping in. I love you. I adore you. I need you. And stay blessed. Bye. Let's see. Hopefully they got oxtails today. They definitely have oxtails. Yes.
To lift up the wall, give me this. You want to half of your house.
She said, Dad.
Drink, yes.
Huh?
Drink, yes.
No, she said, drive my truck. I'll give you your.
Yes. If you willing to take your car.
Without getting my car.
You got fast enough, but drink, gas.
Yeah, nice truck, man.
What was legal out for one person cylinder? You have to pay the gas. One to be 6 cylinder.
I'm not people understand. Certain vehicles, once they have money, people buy gas price, it's supposed to be high.
My
That's a little bit of gravy. That's good.